Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Soundcore P3. You have to start by opening the application, and I recommend it to install the application to enable a lot of features here. And the first one that we have ANC mode, and more of that, we have 3 presets for ANC: transport, indoor and outdoor. So I guess this is cool. I can't live without ANC, so it will be cool. Also we have transparency mode, and we have 2 modes for him: fully transparent and vocal mode. So use it if you want to. Next one, we have a game mode. So if you prefer to play games, you can enable it here in the application. Next one, we have bass boost, and you can enable it right here. So if you like basses, you can use it. And we have also sleep songs, so you can enable in the application, and you can set a timer here. You can add, you can mix this sound sleep sounds. So it's a cool. And the last one, that these headphones have a good microphone. I tested it. Do not mute so good street sounds, but still when you speak normally and softly, I hear myself clearly. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!